Some information about Prophet Yusuf, peace be upon him. He lived 110 years.
His father, grandfather, and great-grandfather were Prophet. The lands is Yusuf, son of Yaqub, Jacob, son of Ishaq, Isaac, son of Ibrahim.
He had 11 brothers, with Benjamin being his only full brother. The rest were half-brothers.
He was known for his ability to interpret dreams.
His mother's name was Ariel.
The Farhad of his time was named Qabus.
He was known for his nobility and richness.
His name is mentioned 26 times in the Holy Quran.
His brothers threw him in a well for several days.
He was sent to Egypt.